We will, in this problem, solve the equation 1/4 plus y equals 4. In order to solve for y, we will subtract 1/4 on both sides of the equation, where the equal sign determines the different sides of the equation. So we will write 1/4 plus y minus 1/4 equals 4 minus 1/4. This equation is equivalent to the one before it because we subtracted the same number on both sides of the equation. On the left side of the equation, this simplifies to y plus 0, since 1/4 minus 1/4 is 0. And on this side of the equation, we'll need to subtract 4 minus 1/4. In order to do that, I need to get a common denominator of 4. So I will write this 4 as 4 over 1 and multiply by 4 over 4 in order to write 4 with a denominator of 4, and I'm subtracting 1/4. Back over on the left side of the equation, y plus 0 is y. And on the right side of the equation, multiplying 4 over 1 by 4 over 4, I get 16 over 4 minus 1 over 4. We have a common denominator of 4, so I can subtract the numerator, 16 minus 1, and write it over the denominator 4. So I have y equals 15 over 4. To check my answer, I need to write 1 over 4 plus y equals 4. And then I want to substitute 15/4 for y. I have 1 over 4 plus 15/4. Does that equal 4? Common denominator, so I add the numerators. 1 plus 15 is 16 over 4. And 16 over 4 does equal 4. So since this is true, 4 equals 4, the solution is 15/4.